Yeah, you do that. Alright, watch out. Here comes Corbin.
Didn't go as fast as last time. No push. No.
I don't need one.
No?
No.
You went fast last time.
Well, I don't need one this time.
Just taking a quick snow break.
Yeah. Because this one goes fast. I love it.
The power line goes.
What just happened?
I guess wind came by and like shook some of the snow.